You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. How to pronounce in English. Those two words, they look somewhat similar. They are different. They are spelling different, and they have a different pronunciation. The top word is pronounced mud. Mud, alright? Which is earth with some water. Dirty earth for water. Mud. It's a schwa sound. It's an sound. The bottom word is mad. You know, when someone is a bit crazy. Mad. It's a much more open sound. Mad. I'm mad about this. So, top word, mud. Bottom word, mad. Can you hear the difference? Can you pronounce these correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.